Al-Wida means farewell. You should raise your hands and then say from your very heart, bidding farewell as if bidding farewell to your most beloved friend, prolonging the sound Al-Wida and Shahru Ramadan. This knot was composed by our beloved Murshid Al-Sheikh Saeed Mubarak Ali Shah Sajibani at his Zavia Al-Qadriya Jilaniya in Mian Mir Sharif, Lahore, on 30th Ramadan al-Mubarak, 1433, August 19th, 2012. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed our beloved Murshid with this tribute to Ramadan, the month of Ramadan. Not only it should be recited at the end of the month of Ramadan, but also anyone who recites it will be blessed with peace and tranquility, peace of heart, tranquility, and Allah ta'ala will make things easy for him or her, inshallah ta'ala.
رمضان شهر رمضان شهر رمضان شهر رمضان الوداع 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 شهر رمضان الوداع 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 شهر رمضان gift from Rahman, protecting shield from Shaitan. You fill our hearts with Allah's nur, taught us to love Him alone, not for sake of Qasur. Al-Nida Ramadan Shahru Ramadan Shahru Ramadan Shahru Ramadan Al-Wida miss you and long for you, oh Ramadan. Each day you blessed us with truth of Islam, firmness in Tawheed, Taqwa and Iman. Ramadan Shahru, Ramadan Shahru, Ramadan Shahru, Ramadan Al-Wida. With forgiveness and mercy for all the muttaqeen, you brought for us freedom from nar, and the answer to all our dua we made so far. Ramadan, Shahru, Ramadan, Shahru, Ramadan, Al-Wida. Save us from Shaitan and the anger of Allah, with always nawafil and Quran. You gave us the criterion, Al-Furqan. Ramadan Shahru, Ramadan Shahru, Ramadan Shahru, Ramadan Al-Wida. You purified our qulub from the evil of Shaitan, making them worthy of becoming throne of Rahman. Ramadan Shahru, Ramadan Shahru, Ramadan Shahru, Ramadan Al-Wida, Al-Wida. as we say farewell. You have saved the Ummah from the fires of hell. Ramadan shahru, Ramadan shahru, Ramadan shahru, Ramadan al-wida, al-wida, al-wida shahru Ramadan, al-wida, al-wida, al-wida shahru Ramadan. With weeping hearts and tears in our eyes, we will miss you as we say goodbye. Oh Ramadan, you are a barakah from Allah for the Ummah of Muhammad Rasulullah. Shahru Ramadan, Shahru Ramadan, Shahru Ramadan, al-wida, al-wida, al-wida shahru Ramadan, al-wida, al-wida, al-wida shahru Ramadan. We stood night after night, seeking your love, your guiding light, row after row, shoulder to shoulder, side by side, bowing in frustration, humbly without pride. Ramadan shahru, Ramadan shahru, Ramadan shahru, Ramadan al-wida, al-wida, al-wida shahru Ramadan, al-wida, al-wida, al-wida shahru Ramadan. You brought us the gift of Al-Quran, a living miracle of Muhammad from Rahman, a message of success, salvation, ilm and irfan. Bless the heart with the knowledge of Lahu Namakan. Ramadan shahru, Ramadan shahru, Ramadan shahru, Ramadan al-wida, al-wida, al-wida shahru Ramadan, al-wida, al-wida, al-wida shahru Ramadan. Allah sent down Laylatul Qadr and Quran, a gift of guidance and wisdom and irfan, with the knowledge of the past, the present and unseen, declaring Muhammad as Rahmatan al-Alameen. Ramadan shahru, Ramadan shahru, Ramadan al-wida, al-wida, al-wida shahru Ramadan, al-wida, al-wida, al-wida shahru Ramadan. Illuminating the hearts of the mu'mineen with taqwa, tawakkul, tawheed and yaqeen, giving life to dead hearts with nur of Quran and Muzammil, Mudassir, Yasin, Rahman. Ramadan shahru, Ramadan shahru, Ramadan al-wida, al-wida, al-wida shahru Ramadan, al-wida, al-wida, al-wida shahru Ramadan. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان؟ شهر رمضان الذي أنزل في القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى والفرقان. Millions of salams be upon Muhammad, Khatamul Mursaleen, Hamza, Ali, and the martyrs of Karbala ajma'een. Ramadan we done?